Let me say a special welcome to all of you once more here at this Anna Katrina Islamic Complex. This entire program produced by the Anjuman Sunatul Jamaat Association of Trinidad and Tobago in conjunction with the Anna Katrina Islamic Complex. My name is Shazad Ali. I'm the head of Islamic programming at Win TV and Win Radio. Win TV is here, my cameraman Lal is here, and we are filming everything to take it back. So when the camera comes on your side, let me see a nice smile for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. All right? I'm also the public relations officer of the Anjuman Sunatul Jamaat Association, so we take the opportunity to thank all of you in Guyana here for your warm hospitality, and certainly hope that this will only be the beginning. Well, we were here 5 times for the year already with several programs, and indeed we are very happy indeed to call you our friends, our neighbors in Trinidad and Tobago. I'd like to say a special welcome to the Minister of Social Cohesion, Mrs. Amna Ali. Am I correct? Thank you very much for coming. All right, Mr. Lance, I'm trying to recognize the right in Carbaran. Am I right? Carbaran. And Major General Retired Norman MacLean. Thank you very much, sirs and gentlemen, ladies, for coming. I certainly hope that the crowd will really grow. Now, today we have a really wonderful program. This singer, he is only part of the delegation. We had 9 people who came in this delegation from Trinidad. We have the singers and the musicians you see on stage. There's 3 of them. But when you hear the kind of music, you'll probably think that you need about 10 of them up there to do that. And also we have the spiritual head of Astra here in Trinidad and Tobago. He is here with us. He came in. We did khutbah at the Georgetown Mosque. Queenstown, I believe, is the big masjid all there. First time I see a masjid so big. You know that masjid, right? In Queenstown. And he delivered that khutbah out there. He has been in Trinidad for the last 7 years, a resident really of Trinidad, and coming from India, studied at the world famous Al-Azhar University. He has his degrees and so on, and he is very well qualified, I can tell you. Together with him, we have Harun Ali, who was here. We were here for the international Qasida singing competition, the male senior, and he placed second in that competition. Of course, Trinidad taking the first place also, one of our contestants, Saeed Ali. So we have these, we have Rahimul Hussein out of the past principal of the Astra Primary School in San Fernando, and we have the following people on stage whom I'll introduce at this time. This gentleman has been singing for about 15-20 years. He majors in all kinds of songs. Indian songs, I'm talking about classical art form, that's a local classical art form, classical Indian style. He was trained in Trinidad and Tobago by Dave Bansraj Ramkissoon, who received a scholarship to India to study music. And he furthered his studies with Indian-born Pradeep Shankar. I don't know if you know that name. Pradeep Shankar could play more than 35 instruments, Indian instruments. So he's now deceased, so we ask Almighty Allah to bless him tremendously for giving us one of his students here this evening in Guyana. And he is, this gentleman is Zaid Hussain. And Zaid Hussain, give him a nice round of applause. You'll be shocked and amazed at his powerful voice and indeed his professionalism in playing the harmonium. Also, we have a young man on the tabla. He told me he played tabla for 20 years. He looked like 25, so I don't know if he probably started at age 5. But I tell you, he's a real professional. He's the leader of the Bina Sangeet Orchestra in Trinidad and Tobago. I've had the pleasure of meeting him several times in Trinidad on various occasions. And we have Bobby Sanka playing the majira and the little percussion instruments, which will be will kind of enhance the rhythm section of the band, the small band here on stage. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask you to please welcome on stage from Trinidad and Tobago for the very first time in Guyana. Give them a nice round of applause. Zaid Hussain, as he sings one of his favorite songs, sending peace and blessings on the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and of course sending praises to Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who is the creator of the universe and the master of the day of judgment. Of course, he is going to sing this song that says, we are looking for the creator in all corners of the globe. We go looking for him, but the creator is closer to yourself closer than the jugular vein. So let's welcome them once more as he sings for about 20 minutes for you all his repertoire songs. And of course, we'll have in the second half, we'll follow with some more music.
It's a big privilege. It's an honor to be here to sing Islamic songs for you all. First time I've been in this part of the world, which is beautiful country of Guyana. And I just had a couple hours of moving around and was really impressed with you all, your country, your hospitality is one of the best. So I am not missing home, and I am a home guy. So if I come here and I tell you I'm not missing home, really something is really special out here with you all. So I just under the weather a little bit. I don't sing too much better than that, but no excuse. But please forgive me and do enjoy. तौहीद की हो लपे शहादत खुदा करे, ईमान की हो दिल में हाँ लावत खुदा करे, बढ़ती रहे खुदा की मोहब्बत खुदा करे, हाजिर हो तुमको दीद हलावत खुदा करे, तुझे ढूंढता तमे शाद सो तेरी शान जल जलालू, तुझे ढूंढता तमे चार सो तेरी शान जल जलालू, तुम ना करीब के गुलो तेरी शान जल जलालू, तुझे ढूंढता तमें चार सो तेरी शान जल जलालू। तेरी याद में है कली कली है चमन चमन में हूँ अल्लवी, तेरी याद में है कली कली है चमन चमन में हूँ अल्लवी, तू बसा है फूल है हूबहू, तू बसा है फूल में हूबहू, तेरी शान जल जलालू, तेरी शान जल जलालू, तुझे ढूंढता तमें चाँद सो तेरी शान जल जलालू। तेरे जुस्तजू महफाकता की कहाँ तुझे वह दिखाएगा, तेरे जुस्तजू महफाकता की कहाँ तुझे वह दिखाएगा, उस वीद को है हूबहू, उस वीद को है हूबहू, तेरी शान जल जलालू, तेरी शान जल जलालू। सो तेरी शान जल जलाल हो। तेरे हुक्म से जो हवा चली तू चटकी के बोली कली कली। तेरे हुक्म से जो हवा चली तू चटकी के बोली कली कली। है रहीम तू, है रहीम तू, है करीम तू, है रहीम तू, तेरी शान जल जलाल हो। मुझे ढूंढता तुम्हें चार सो तेरी शान जल जलाल हो। तुम ना करीब ये गुलो तेरी शान जल जलाल हो। तुझे ढूंढता तुम्हें चार सो तेरी शान जल जलाल हो। तुम ना करीब ये गुलो तेरी शान जल जलाल हो। सल्ले अला सल्ले अला सल्ले अला हरदम अला सल्ले अला हरदम। मोहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्ले मोहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्ले अला। ये आज महफिल है हबीबे की प्रिया सल्ले हबीबे की प्रिया सल्ले अला। ये आज महफिल है मोहम्मद मुस्तफा जिसके रंग से रंगो बहारे गुलशने हस्ती, बहारे गुलशने हस्ती, उसी रंगे अदा सल्ले, उसी रंगे अदा सल्ले, अल्लाह की आज महफिल है। मोहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्ले, मोहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्ले, अल्लाह की आज महफिल है। हबीबे की प्रिया सल्ले, हबीबे की प्रिया सल्ले, अल्लाह की आज महफिल है, अल्लाह की आज महफिल है, अल्लाह की आज महफिल मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं। मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं। खुदा से खुदा जल्दियाँ मांगते हैं। मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं। खुदा से खुदा जानिया मांगते हैं। मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, खुदा शान शौक है जिसको खुदा से, खुदा शान शौक है जिसको खुदा से। उस रिश्ते में सर को झुका मांगते हैं। उस रिश्ते में सर को झुका मांगते हैं। मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं। खुदा से खुदा जाने क्या मांगते हैं। मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं। खुदा से खुदा जाने क्या मांगते हैं। मोहम्मद रोकर, मोहम्मद रोकर, कभी बैठ कर इल्तिजा कर रहे हैं। कभी बैठ कर इल्तिजा कर रहे रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर इलाही करम कर उम्मत मेरी इलाही करम कर उम्मत मेरे वो यार इसके सिवा मांगते हैं वो यार इसके सिवा मांगते हैं मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं खुदा से खुदा जाने क्या मांगते हैं मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं खुदा से खुदा जाने क्या मांगते हैं मदीने के गुलशन से तो बुला दो मदीने के गुलशन से बुला दो ज़बा और तुझी से रही खुदा मांगते हैं ज़बा और तुझी से रही खुदा मांगते हैं मोहम्मद रोकर दुआ मांगते हैं खुदा से खुदा जाने क्या मांगते हैं मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर मोहम्मद रोकर Shahzad to do this song. Tell him it's a bit early, so but he still wants to hear the song. Oh, 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 लाल मेरी पति रखियो बना झूले लालन हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो बना झूले लालन जिंदगी दा सेवरी दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर अली दम दम में अंदर अली दम दम में अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर ओ लाल मेरी पति रखियो बना झूले लालन सिद्धि दा सेवरी दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर अली दम दम में अंदर ओ लाल मेरी पति रखियो बना झूले लालन जिंदगी दा सेवरी दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम में अंदर हो लाल मेरी पति रखियो बना झूले लालन जिंदगी दा सेवरी दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर बस दम दम में अंदर हो लाल मेरी चराग तेरा बदन हमेशा, चार चराग तेरा बदन हमेशा, बजुओं में बारन, बजुओं में बारन, आइए भला झूलेलाल, बजुओं में बारन, बजुओं में बारन, आइए भला झूलेलाल, जिंदगी सेवली दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम में अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूलेलाल, जिंदगी सेवली दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर, अली दम दम में अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, हो लाल मेरी, हो लाल मेरी। हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरे नौबत बाजे, हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे, नाल बजे घड़ी घड़िए भला झूलेलाल, नाल बजे घड़ी घड़िए भला झूलेलाल, जिंदगी दा सेवली दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर, अली दम दम में अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, अली दम दम में अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम पहला नंबर, हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूलेलाल, जिंदगी दा सेवरी दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, शाबाश कलंदर, हमारा मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, दम में अंदर, हमारा मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, दम में अंदर, हमारा मस्त कलंदर, हमारा मस्त कलंदर, हमारा मस्त कलंदर, हमारा मस्त दिखाने लगा, जब रब के चमन वो नूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा, जब रब के चमन वो नूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा, वो भारत हुआ बूटीरा दूध कर मुबाहों में शैतान छुपाने लगा, जब रब के चमन वो नूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा, वो भारत हुआ बूटीरा दूध कर मुबाहों में शैतान छुपाने लगा। क्या बशर क्या मलक क्या ज़मीं क्या फलक, अर्श से फर्श तक शर्क से गर्ब तक, क्या बशर क्या मलक क्या ज़मीं क्या फलक, अर्श से फर्श तक शर्क से गर्ब तक, जब रब के चमन वो नूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा, वो भारत हुआ बूटीरा दूध कर मुबाहों में शैतान छुपाने लगा, जब रब के चमन वो नूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा। जब रब के चमन वो मुनूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा। मुखारत हुआ भूल गया तूत कर मुहारों में शैतान छुपाने लगा। जब रब के चमन वो मुनूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा। बदिए रहमतों की गरजने लगी, नौबतें शादमनी की बजाने लगी। बदिए रहमतों की गरजने लगी, नौबतें शादमनी की बजाने लगी। बजाने लगी, बजाने लगी, बजाने लगी, बजाने लगी। जब रब के चमन वो मुनूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा। मुखारत हुआ बूढ़ीदा दूध कर मुबारों में शैतान छुपाने लगा। जब रब के चमन वो मुनूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा। जब रब के चमन वो मुनूरे खुदा हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा। हर तरफ अपना जलवा दिखाने लगा।
Welcome Mr. Chatterjee and his wife, the Indian High Commissioner to Guyana. I don't know exactly where they are. Thank you very much. Give them a nice round of applause for coming. And I'm sure he must be enjoying this thoroughly, especially Ulal Miri. All right, also Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Williams, Dr. Abdul Bari and his wife. Welcome, sir. And ma'am, Maulana Mangat, and of course, Rabindra Ruplal of the Guyana Chronicle, our colleagues in the media here. Of course, I want to welcome all of you who came in late. My name is Shazad Ali. I want to apologize for the PRO of this organization, Riaz Hussein, who is not well. But my name is Shazad Ali. I'm from the Wind Communications in Trinidad and Tobago. We have been doing Islamic programming for the last 12 years. We came here 10 years ago in Guyana, went to Hog Island to do a broadcast that was carried on Radio Shakti across the world, live. We did that with a small little, we call it a small little $100. It's $100, $200 telephone, a cell phone given to us by our brother Farouk Amin. He is one sweet gentleman. Welcome, sir, to the program here this evening. And we are here for a particular reason. We have been here for this year 5 times already. And we have major projects. So I represent the Anjuman Sunnatul Jamaat Association of Trinidad and Tobago. I'm the public relations officer, and we have been working in Guyana with the Anna Katrina Islamic Complex, our colleagues here in Guyana. And I want to say a special thank you to Brother Hakim Khan. He is he's like 10 gentlemen in one, doing all the work here at the Anna Katrina Complex, as you would see. We were here just a couple weeks ago, but 2 weeks ago, for Qurbani, Guyana Qurbani. First time Trinidad and Tobago Anjuman Sunnatul Jamaat Association partnered with Anna Katrina Islamic Complex for Qurbani 2015. And I can guarantee you, inshallah, that next year will be bigger than it was this year. So we are doing a lot of things. I have one big announcement to make later on in the program. I don't want to do it now. I put in the children of the orphanages, the girls, the Shaheed boys and Shaheed girls orphanage, the people of Trinidad and Tobago. They saw this. We recorded all of this 2 or 3 weeks ago. We played it on Wind Television. You can pick it up here in Guyana on the internet at www.windtvworld.com. And of course, it shows live in Canada on the Bell 5 Cable Network and Rogers Network, live in New York City on the Time Warner Network. So indeed, we have good things going. And we partner with a big organization here in Guyana. And certainly we know, we're fully aware how important this relationship is for the people of Trinidad and Tobago and the people of Guyana. Now, you enjoyed Said Hussein? Tell me. Honestly. You enjoyed? Well, I saw he was sweating, so I had to let him go off the stage, and even the drummer and so on. They were really, we were supposed to give them 20 minutes on stage. I actually gave them 30 minutes because I know that you were sitting very quietly, not clapping and so on, but I know you were enjoying the program. All right, I want to say a special welcome to my cameraman Lal from Win TV. He's here. We are going to record this. We're going to play it back. I believe we'll do this next Saturday in Trinidad and Tobago, 9:30 in the morning. Same time with Guyana. You can tune in on the internet, those of you who have the capacity to do it. We hope that you will be able to view it. In any case, we'll bring back the recording for Brother Hakim, who will make it available here, right here, on the movie night, where he'll probably show it to you all. All right? So Zaid Hussein and group, thank you very much for a wonderful performance. They'll be coming back, and I'm sure they'll give you songs like Mujhko Dare Mahabubi, for those of you who are a little younger than I am. And also songs like Mere Hazrat Makiwali and so on. These songs, really beautiful Qawwali songs, as we observe and celebrate the occasion of the Islamic New Year today, the 4th of Muharram. In fact, today, daylight was the 3rd of Muharram. It's a very sacred month indeed that follows the month of Zulqa'dah and Zulhijjah, and of course the other sacred month being Rajab. All right, so we all know this. We are supposed to, if we don't know it, and certainly we want to welcome all of you here today again as we get prepared for the Ashura next week in Trinidad and Tobago, and of course Milad an-Nabi which will be coming just about 2.5 months, 3 months from now. We have Mufti Asrul Haq to give us a little message here this evening on the Islamic New Year. Islam doesn't have no compulsion. We are supposed, the Prophet upon whom the peace says, your neighbor has more right in your kitchen than you. So if we are follow the Prophet of Islam, we need to remember that whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whatever, they have more right in the kitchen than you yourself. So understand what that means. That means we have to live good with our neighbors. All right? Now we have another gentleman who is going to come up here on stage. I'll ask him to please come closer to the stage area now. He won the 2nd place. He has won many competitions in Trinidad and Tobago. He is the leader himself of one of the big bands in Trinidad. I think it was the Sapphire Orchestra. He came here and he performed and he got 2nd, beaten only by a Trinidadian. So we don't want to say anything. We don't like to say these things, but you know we must tell you. All right? So I'll ask you to give him a nice round of applause. He has his own bit of equipment there, and we're going to ask him to come on the stage and give us about 15 minutes of beautiful melodies as we observe and celebrate Islamic New Year 1437.
खुदा का कलाम है बे उसकी मारिफत का चमन ना तमाम है कुरान खुदा नुमा खुदा का कलाम है बे उसकी मारिफत का चमन ना तमाम है कुरान खुदा नुमा वो रोशनी जो पाते हैं हम उस किताब में वो रोशनी जो पाते हैं हम उस किताब में होगी नहीं कभी वो हजार आफताब में कुरान खुदा नुमा है उससे हमारा पाक दिलो हमारा पाक दिलो सीन हो गया, वो अपना मुनकाब ही आईन हो गया। कुरान खुदा नुमा है। अफसुर्दगी जो सीनों में भी दूर हो गई, अफसुर्दगी जो सीनों में भी दूर हो गई, जुल्मत जो थी दिलों में वो सब दूर हो गई। कुरान खुदा नुमा है, खुदा